In this video, we will explore several categories of service options for gifted learners based on process. We will also provide a couple of examples from each category. Critical thinking programs. Schools often offer workshops, programs, and specialized activities targeting the development of critical thinking skills among gifted learners. These initiatives are designed to challenge, stimulate, and enhance the analytical and problem-solving abilities of gifted students. Initiatives aimed at encouraging and nurturing creative thinking and innovation among gifted students play a crucial role in fostering their imagination, originality, and problem-solving abilities. These initiatives stimulate out-of-the-box thinking and provide platforms for gifted students to explore their creative potential, empowering them to become future innovators and leaders in their chosen fields. Problem-solving competitions and challenges. Texas hosts several STEM competitions that actively promote problem-solving skills among gifted students. These competitions provide students with opportunities to apply their STEM knowledge, showcase their talents, collaborate, and innovate in competitive environments, fostering critical thinking, creative problem-solving, and teamwork skills essential for success in STEM fields. Academic challenges, debates, and mock trials offer gifted students platforms to apply their analytical and argumentative skills while engaging in intellectually stimulating activities. These events encourage students to think critically, communicate persuasively, and develop a deeper understanding of various subjects while honing their intellectual capabilities. Inquiry-based learning initiatives. Schools often encourage gifted students to engage in in-depth research projects as part of their gifted education program. In-depth research projects foster curiosity, critical thinking, problem-solving, and a deeper understanding of subjects while providing opportunities for students to explore their interests in a structured and supportive environment. Project-based learning (PBL) encourages collaboration, creativity, and problem-solving among students. Various PBL approaches include collaborative projects, real-world problem-solving, creativity and innovation, and presentation and reflection, to name a few. By implementing project-based learning approaches, schools aim to foster a dynamic learning environment where students actively engage in collaborative, inquiry-driven, and creative activities, preparing them for real-world challenges and cultivating essential skills for future success. Mentorship and internship opportunities. Several programs offer mentorship opportunities. These programs aim to provide gifted students with mentorship experiences, allowing them to gain insights, learn from professionals, explore career paths, and apply their skills and knowledge in real-world contexts, fostering their growth and development in their areas of interest. Schools offer internship opportunities for gifted students across various sectors and disciplines. Providing these opportunities supports gifted students in gaining valuable hands-on experience, exploring their interests, and developing practical skills that can shape their academic and career paths. These opportunities allow students to apply classroom knowledge in real-world settings, fostering personal and professional growth. Process-based service options for gifted and talented education are designed to cultivate essential skills like critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity among gifted learners. By engaging in these process-focused initiatives, gifted students are empowered to become innovative thinkers and lifelong learners.